you'll see that the basic core behind almost all these ego positions is actually narcissism. Narcissism. In the current society, the reason it's going down in consciousness level is because man now worships narcissism rather than God. The narcissistic core of the ego. Oh, I might be offended. So, the world must stop. Did anybody ask you to be offended? I don't remember anybody asking you to be offended. Or they project the narcissism onto the world. They might be offended. If you can't handle being called shorty, forget reaching enlightenment. Because you have to own the truth of yourself and not want to change it. Why would you want to change? That which you've karmically inherited is obviously a positive value, or you wouldn't have reincarnated. So we're all in this together. We'll do one more thing before we take a break. After that, we have questions and answers. All of us swoop in here together and swoop out together onto this planet. Believe that? We come as a karmically, like a flock. We all tend to reincarnate about the same time. We all know each other, and then we fulfill this one. We go on the other side. We do what we can there, and then when we group decides, we all sort of come back again like a bunch of swans, whistling swans or something. Let's see. That which I just spoke is the truth. Many in this group are destined to be enlightened. And many in this group are destined to be enlightened. That's why we hang in together back and forth, because as a group we constantly move. And quite a few in this group, either now sitting or due to going back and forth, are destined for enlightenment. Where does enlightenment arise? It doesn't arise elsewhere, except in extremely spiritually dedicated people, such as a group like this. Therefore, I'm honored by your presence to have such wonderful students.